How to download Truck Simulator. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can download and install the Truck Simulator app on your device. For this, open the Play Store app on your Android device. If you are on iOS device, you want to open App Store. Now, tap on the search bar. Here, you want to type Truck Simulator and search for this. Now, out of the search results, this is the application you should be looking for. If you want more information on this game, tap on About this game option. Here you can find all the information about the Truck Simulator app. Now, if you want to download this, simply tap on the Install button. Now, depending on the speed of the internet, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. All you have to do is tap on the play button and the application will be launched. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.